How to take care of sacrificial animals. Give your animals 24/7 access to fresh drinking water. Provide them enough shade, especially during the heat of the afternoon, and help the animals cool off by gently spraying water on them. These animals should be protected from sunstroke in summer and cold wind in winter. Animals should be given nutritive food or fodder. Green fodder is a prime necessity for animals. Sick animals should be treated properly with medicines according to the advice from a veterinary doctor. Do not hit them. Domestic animals should be kept clean. Their waste should be promptly removed from the shed and be properly disposed of. Like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel for more informative videos.